In today's episode, we're diving into one of the most exciting tools you can use to quickly create professional landing pages without a single line of code. Imagine being able to design a sleek, modern landing page to sell your digital products like ebooks, software, or online courses, all for free. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, with V0.dev, this dream is now a reality. Stick with me until the end of this guide, and I'll show you exactly how to use this AI tool to make your landing page, integrate it with a print-on-demand platform, and maximize your sales with zero technical experience. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our free AI resources so you can also become a part of our growing community and be an AI legend. So now let's get into it. V0.dev is a powerful and easy-to-use platform that makes designing and launching landing pages a breeze. It's perfect for creators, entrepreneurs, and anyone looking to sell digital products online. What sets V0.dev apart from other tools is its ability to simplify the process. There's no need for coding, no complicated design software, and best of all, you get to work with an intuitive, AI-powered interface that handles all the hard work for you. Why is V0.dev the best for creating landing pages? Well, it's because it's designed specifically to help users who want to create landing pages without any technical knowledge. It offers a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface with customizable templates, and the best part is that you can access the platform for free, making it accessible to everyone. Now, let's get to the fun part, creating your landing page. First, head over to V0.dev, sign in to a free account, and you'll be ready to go. After signing in, you'll be greeted with the main dashboard. From here, you can see different templates created by users from all over the world. What you want to do is to locate the prompt bar where you can input custom instructions for your landing page. This is where the magic happens, and you get to fully customize the look and feel of your page with just a few simple steps. You don't need to worry about complicated coding or software. Everything is ready for you to go. Once you're inside the platform, copy and paste the following prompt into the prompt bar. Create a sleek, modern landing page design for selling digital products online. The page should have a clean, minimalistic layout with a focus on showcasing various digital products such as ebooks, software, and online courses. Include sections for product descriptions, features, and testimonials. For each product, create a Shop Now space where I can insert the link to the product's online store. Below the link, create a Shop Now button that will redirect users to the corresponding online shop. Below the button, include a disclaimer text. By clicking Shop Now, you will be redirected to the online shop where you can purchase the product. Use bold typography, vibrant call to action buttons, and dynamic animations to create an engaging user experience. Incorporate smooth transitions, hover effects, and parallax scrolling for a visually appealing and interactive feel. The design should be mobile responsive, user-friendly, and optimized for conversions. This prompt is designed to create a landing page that not only looks great, but is also fully functional for online sales. The shop link space is where you can add links to your products, which will connect directly to your chosen print-on-demand platforms like Racket PH, Amazon, or any other platform you're using. Once you've inserted the product links, the Shop Now button will take customers directly to the online shop to complete their purchase. This seamless integration means you can focus on marketing your products while V0.dev handles the technical side of the page. As soon as you've got your page up and running, the platform will automatically create all the sections you need, from product descriptions to testimonials, making sure your landing page is as engaging and professional as possible. But the real value of this setup is the ability to easily add product links that connect to your print-on-demand platform. This is where the integration magic happens. For instance, if you're selling ebooks, you can link directly to an ebook store, or if you're selling merchandise or apparel, V0.dev allows you to connect your shop to a platform like Racket PH or Amazon. These print-on-demand services will automatically handle the production, packaging, and shipping, so you don't need to worry about inventory or logistics. Now let's talk a bit about coding. With V0.dev, there's no need for coding knowledge. The platform's AI does the heavy lifting for you, so you don't need to learn HTML, CSS, or even JavaScript. For those who love the thrill of customizing every little detail, V0.dev allows some coding tweaks to optimize the page even further. However, for most users, the platform is powerful enough that you won't need to dive into coding. Everything you need is ready and waiting for you to tweak and refine to your heart's content. Once your landing page is ready, it's time to go live. First, click on Share. From there, select the Publish tab, and the platform will automatically begin deploying your code to Vercel. In just a few moments, your landing page will be live and ready to share. Once deployment is complete, you'll receive a unique production URL, your very own website link that you can copy and share with the world. The simplicity and power of this platform make it ideal for anyone looking to enter the world of online sales without the complexity of traditional web development. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button along with the notification bell so you'll be the first to know once we upload our next episode. And as promised, if you want to access our free AI resources, just check out the pinned comment down below. Let us know what you think about this episode in the comments, and I'll see you on our next video.